All right. Anyways, thank you for that, folks. Okay. I'm the founder and the CEO for a company called CourseCREEK. What we do is we help authors, coaches, thought leaders, companies with L&D departments that need design and development, really anybody with a twinkle in their eye, anybody with a great idea, monetize and get scalability out of their expertise. The deliverable is self-paced courses and live hybrid virtual training programs, but we also are very much involved in high converting marketing funnels and other marketing entities and that sort of thing. Today, I'm super excited to have a chat with my colleague, my friend, and our director of implementation, Shubhanksh Chaudhary. I'll just say that I've been working with Shubhanksh for about 3.5 years here at CourseCREEK, and as a course creator and a manager at an agency company for 25 odd years, I have never worked with a more reliable dude, a more reliable contractor, somebody that does what they say they're going to do and says what they're going to do and all that jazz. So anyways, without any further ado, I give to the Shubhanksh Chaudhary, CourseCREEK's director of implementation, and really one of the world's leading developers and implementation managers for learning management systems today. Shibs, I know you're super busy. Thanks for being here.
Good morning, Robert. Thank you for the introductions. And yes, it's a very interesting field to be in 2024, right? E-learning, LMS, courses, one of the most interesting things that has been, making huge leaps in the past few years. Going into 2024, it's one of the most important things that, any author, any coaches, or anyone who is looking to scale their business can do online, right? So I'm super excited to be with you on this meeting, and I'm really looking forward to discuss how we help, authors, our clients, consultants, and coaches to scale their business and to go where they want to be, right? I'm super excited for this. And Robert, it's been a pleasure to work with you, and I look forward to a great 2024 and, 2025, 2026, and beyond.
No doubt, brother. No doubt. I mean, we did pretty good last year. And let's see what happens in 2024. But that's in large part because we do well and good for our clients.